Cooking gets easier when you have the right cooktop. In this video, I'm sharing my top pick for the best induction cooktop, focusing on heating performance, ease of use, and the features that make it worth considering. We have included links in the description. Product name: Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, 10.25-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass, 6.5 heating coil, 45 temps from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 wattage settings 600, 900 and 1300 watts. The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is a compact countertop cooker designed for people who want fast, precise heating without using a traditional stove. In the US market, it's best known for its portable design, precise temperature control, and induction technology, making it especially useful for apartments, dorms, RVs, and smaller kitchens. One of its biggest strengths is control. With 45 temperature settings from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can adjust the heat for everything from gently warming food to cooking at higher temperatures. The 3 wattage settings also give you more control over energy use and cooking speed. Its shatter-proof ceramic glass surface is another practical feature for everyday cooking and cleanup. The Nuwave Flex is best for apartment dwellers, college students, RV owners, and anyone who needs an extra cooking surface. It's also useful when hosting a large meal and your main stove is already occupied. However, it may not be the best choice for buyers who need multiple burners or use cookware that isn't induction compatible. Since it has a single heating zone, cooking several dishes at once can also be limiting. Overall, the Nuwave Flex offers a convenient combination of portability, precise temperature control, and efficient induction cooking, making it a practical choice for American buyers with limited kitchen space. That's my top pick for the best induction cooktop. Check the link below for the latest price and more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.